Dumani adume zizwele isihlahla somdlebe nontela mzimba bhejebheje mfasole impahla hliziyo zamadoda ibomvu enabasatete nabasenyimbane mkhonto kwazi igazi intaba ekhalamanzi dictionary daba zadida umndeni ngalunywa inja ngaphethe enduku ngathi ngiyakha kwaphidlika lifay athi ngiyafulela kwanetha siqugula dalo hlala emoshali ngibingelele bonke abantu asebengenile ngibingelele South Africa. I am broadcasting live from South Africa in a city. Is it a city or province called KZN? City of Durban, province of KwaZulu Natal. Good morning to everyone. Maybe you are watching me at this time. It is a lovely Tuesday, if I'm not mistaken. It is a lovely Tuesday. The date, I don't know whether it's the 3rd or what, but the time is around 8 in the morning and it is cloudy outside. It's sunny. Okay. Guys, njengoba ngena la ku live, maybe it might happen at the end of this live you'll be like, no, I need this guy's number, I need to WhatsApp him, or I need to speak to him. By the way, you cannot get me on the phone, you will speak to my assistant, but you can. Oh, it's a Wednesday today. It's a Wednesday today. Oh, thank you. By the way, ungakhuluma nabasizi bami, you can speak to my call center, but on WhatsApp you can directly WhatsApp me on +27 +27 71 130 7808. I've got a strong prophecy for Zimbabwe, for Swaziland, for South Africa. I've got the prophecy for these people. So please share this live to all those people. Please share. I need everyone who's here to participate. And I need you guys to record this live. I've got the prophecy for South Africa, I've got the prophecy for Swaziland, I've got the prophecy for Zimbabwe. That is why when I woke up this morning, I had to call my social media guys, and I was like, guys, I need to be live, because when I was sleeping at night, I saw something about Swaziland, about Zimbabwe, and about South Africa. So please share this live as much as you can. Maybe I don't know whether to start with it or to conclude with these prophecy, 3 prophecy, because I need to deal with my people now. But for me to deliver the prophecy in everyone who is here, I'll need you to comment. How do you comment? You just tell me, hi, I'm Kulu, I'm in Bloemfontein, I'm in Cape Town. My name is who, the surname is who. And while you're doing that, as you are writing the comment, I need you to do this for me. Don't ask for so many things. Even if you can write 2 things, you can write 3 things, and I will be taking from there, from whatever that you wrote. Just tell me, I'm from Eastern Cape, I'm from Swaziland, I'm from Northwest, I'm from Ghana, I'm from Nigeria. Wherever you are, just write down here. As I'm watching, I'm at work, I'm at home, I'm at school, down. And as you are writing the comment down, just please share my live, because I'm here to deliver something. I cannot comment much, or I cannot dwell much with the USA and whatever those political, because people were asking me, they've been sending me WhatsApp. What is the outcome in USA with Trump and stuff? Honorable Trump. And I was like, I don't want to comment on that one. But I've got a strong prophecy which might affect Swaziland, Zimbabwe, and South Africa. As I am talking, I will come and comment on those. But for now, let me start with everyone who is watching right now, who's busy writing comments, who is saying, I am struggling and I need the prophecy and I need you to touch me. My life is a mess. Nomfusi kutu. As I am delivering this prophecy, please comment and share. That will be the great thing that makes me connect with your ancestors, because whatever I'm saying, your ancestors and my ancestors are communicating, and there are few people that I will touch or that I will hint the problems that you guys are facing. Some of you will get help today, because I just woke up, I just brushed my teeth, and I came back here because I needed to deliver whatever that I need to deliver today. And I need to speak to you guys. Right. Nompusi kutu. You say to me you are in UK. Whatever you wrote here, you said you are in UK. But as I was speaking right now, I saw 5 white duck angels. As I saw those angels coming down, they were about to give you something. But ikhona into engiyibonile. Uma ngiyibona lento, ngabona abantu abawu-3 ekhaya emuva lapho thwena uzalwa khona. Ngabona labantu behlangana beze bayofika entweni engathi indlela encane. Angikwazi mina ukuthi ugcine nini ukufika ekhaya noma ugcine nini ukuthi nawe uyobona abantu ekhaya. Kodwa ngibonela abantu behlangana beze beyothatha into engathi intambo ebomvu, base beyabopha bahlanganisa nomchamo phakathi, bafaka amagameni phakathi. Uma siloko sithi siyalandela la, ikhona into ehlupha wena ezokwenza ukuthi uyolala esibhedlela. Ngabuza ngathi Mlamuli wezulu uthini kimi, wathi uNkulunkulu kimi ikhona lento elokuhliphiza izinto zakho manje mawuloku uthi nawe ukhona. Angazi nami noma uyangizwa yini. Bradley Franklin uthi umoya engcwele kimi masiloko esithandaza la, there is this luck efuna ukusebenza kuwe, kodwa makufanele lento isebenza. Uthi umoya engcwele wena uthema uzalwa wazalwa nengubo ngathi inkosi yamakhosi. Angazi noma ekhaya Bradley Franklin ukhona yini umntwana ozalwe ngo-1997 mhla ka-20 July. Wathi umoya engcwele ukhona into, the spirit of demon efuna ukuhlasela in the family. Ngathi inkosi uthini kimi, wathi uJehova lo muntu Bradley Franklin bekufanele kube sengathi wena usuke wazama 2 times trying to open up a business, but izinto they fall apart. Wathi umoya engcwele asikukhulekise kakhulu singayiyeki leyo nto. Angazi Michelle Mhlongo uthi umoya engcwele namanje kodwa ikhona into Michelle Mhlongo okufanele manje sibe ngathi siyayikhulekisa. Yazi ngibona kuxatshanwa ngathi mina uxabana nobani. Wathi umoya engcwele kukhona into engathi umbono obekufanele iqhamuke nawe, kube sengathi uthi guys let's meet up noma let's gather as a team, kube sengathi khona into esiyakhayo njengento engathi libhizinisi ithi mayiqala lento kube sengathi iyahamba. Wathi umoya engcwele kukhona umuntu who's in the political party ongathi strong kakhulu kade kufanele fike sengathi uyanibiza ufuna ukunifanda, kodwa mayinifanda ajike ngathi ufuna ukuyithatha lento ufuna ukuyiona. Wathi umoya engcwele yazi ngibona wena kube sengathi ungaza ne-ID uthi no guys lento ayisambi kahle ngoba siyiqalanga kanjena. Wathi umoya engcwele kukhona inzondo ezovuka kuwe Mhlongo, Michelle Mhlongo, kube sengathi namanje abantu bayakuzonda wathi uNkulunkulu namanje ngabe siyayikhulekisa lento singayeki. Oli Glam uthi umoya ongcwele Oli Glam angithandaze kakhulu ngigeza ithunzi. Angazi noma ukhona umuntu wayelama wena noma wena owomlama owadlula emhlabeni noma ukhona umuntu oyisihlobo noma umzali owadlula yini emhlabeni qede lo muntu wangagezwa la kuwe mawulokubhala nawe uthi uNkulunkulu nenhliziyo encane wena kanti mawunenhliziyo encane kube kufanele kube sengathi ikhona into yamadlozi noma into yabantu abadala okufanele ngabe siyalungiswa kuwe wathi umoya ongcwele izinto zakho njengamanje azihambi kahle ngoba kukhona into obekufanele kube sengathi thina siyayifuna la kuwe eyisimo sento engathi kodwa qobo ihamba iba yithunze elimbi kube sengathi namanje noma uthi uzama ukwakha ubudlelwane izinto zakho azihambi kahle wathi umoya ongcwele asikhulekise lento kakhulu thina singayeke sakhile mthembu mawulokuthi ukhona upoison ongahamba udle noma kukhona into owayidla kabi lento ehlala la kuwe egulisayo ngoba namanje ngibona izinto zakho njengomuntu angathi emzimbeni awuphili kahle yazi ngibona lokuncipha emzimbeni maslowe sikhuleka sakhile mthembu uthi umoya ongcwele kunomuntu ozogula ekhaya njengamanje njengomuntu angathi kunesifo esingaloku sihlupha abantu ekhaya mawulokuthi ukhona lathizwi lasezulwini asikhulekise lento kakhulu ngoba sakhile mthembu yazi ngizwa ama feelings zakho noma ngizwa imizwa yakho emzimbeni kube sengathi ifuna ukuphela kodwa kabi mani wathi uJehova asikhulekise lento kakhulu thina singayeki ngoba masiloko sithi sikhona la ikhona into sakhile mthembu obekufanele ivuke kabi ivuka iziyothinta isimo sento ngathi imfuyo emva ekhaya ngazi mina uhlalaphi noma ugcineni ekhaya ngoba kukhona into ethinte kababi njengomuntu angathi namanje kodwa qobo izinto azihambi kahle bongiwe faith uthi umoya ongcwele wena thola isimo sento engathi ingubo yasezayoni mawuthola ingubo yasezayoni ukhulekiswe kakhulu uziyofakwa phakathi emanzini ngoba kukhona inhlanhla yakho kufanele uyilande sizibeni masiloko sithi siyalandela lalathizwe lasezulwini namanje ngibona uvukelwa abantu wathi umoya ongcwele kuvuka abantu left and right ngathi umoya ongcwele uthini kimi wathi umoya ongcwele sifuna ubaba okuzalayo kodwa kuwe kodwa kakhulu ngathi mina ubaba okuzalayo sifunani wathi umoya kunesiphithiphithi esivuka ekhaya kuka baba lathizwe sezulwini izinto azihambi kahle zimile njengamanje njengomuntu angathi yonke into mawulokuthi ukhona la izinto zimile wathi umoya ongcwele Bheki Sydney useswaziland kunenkinga lapho Bheki Sydney before sikuthandazise uthi umoya ongcwele asambe siyothola la ukuhlangana khona imfula la ukudibana khona imfula la okuthiwa iyajoyina khona imfula bese sikhamanzi ngo20 liter masikhamanzi ngo20 liter bese sifuna labantu abasezayoni kodwa ababizwa ngokuthi amaJericho masifuna labantu basemaJericho bese ngithi mina ke kuthathwe lamanzi akhulekiswe kakhulu bese lamanzi angathi ungawathatha ugeze ngawo ekseni masithi thina ngo3 ekseni ugeze ngawo kakhulu lamanzi ngathi mina yini lena uyiwashayo wathi umoya ongcwele ikhona lento webheki bread angazi Bheki Sydney wathi umoya ongcwele ikhona lento oyiwasha kabi ebuya njengento engathi singaze sigeze enye into engathi iligazi noma sigeze lento engathi kulimala ongenzeka kuwe ngendlela engaqondakali wathi umoya ongcwele masiloko sithi sikhona la ikhona into ebuya kube sengathi namanje iyakuthinta wena iphinde ithinte isimo sento engathi umuntu walimala kabi lo muntu kumele simlande owalimalela kwenye indawo wathi umoya ongcwele azi mina 2006 wawukade ukuphi noma kwenzakalani ekhaya ngikwazi mina kodwa nami ngiyaqala ukubona la ku Facebook wathi umoya ngabe siyayikhulekisa lento ngoba kunomuntu kumele simlande kwenye indawo kanti mina angazi noma kunomuntu oyinyanga lapha ngendlela engafanele ukuthi ikhwama ngabe wayithatha ngaleyo ndlela ngoba namanje kunento ephazamisa la ekhaya manje lokwenithini khona ndoda amadoda eSwazini kodwa ngiyabuya lapho ngoba kukhona into okufanele ngiyikhulume yaseSwazini ake sibhaleni uyangibhalela nje uthi mina ngisendaweni kanje mina ngisendaweni kanjena ungakhohlwa ukuthi lo live wami futhi siyawushare and also don't forget to like my page and also to follow my page. You follow my page, you like my page, you comment, you share. You just do that. As you are sharing, you just comment, you share. There's a Nigerian guy. There's a sister here who is watching me, who is dating a Nigerian guy. It's not just dating. She is married and they've got 3 kids with a Nigerian strong businessman. But this guy they will kidnap this guy because he is under pressure. This guy is under pressure. I'm just waiting for the lady to comment. There is a lady who is married to a Nigerian guy. Let me deliver the prophecy because she might say, I don't want to be known. But I'm seeing a powerful man who is a Nigerian guy who is married to a South African lady. And I'm seeing this guy being kidnapped. And when he died, uzofa anqunywe njengembuzi. Uzofa anqunywe njengembuzi. Bathi kimi angemthandaziselo sisi. Kodwa mangimthandazisa ngicelela indoda yakhe impilo. Angazi noma ukhona yini ongizwayo. Ngoba ikhona into elandela kabi lomndeni. I saw a big fight in the house. I saw a big fight in the house. Right. Let's start here. Zimbabwe. Whoever is in Zimbabwe or whoever is watching who is coming from Zimbabwe, please